Hey, how's it going? Roby here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something from Marathon Watch. Around here, we've been lucky enough to get hands-on with a number of their timepieces over the last few years. Established in 1939, the brand is a stalwart among military watch enthusiasts. And last year, at the Toronto Timepiece Show, they debuted the OSAR D. The OSAR D, it's based upon an emblematic piece that they created in 2001 at the behest of the Canadian military. I've got the latest one on wrist right now. Why don't we just take a closer look? The OSAR D is rendered in a 41mm surgical grade 316L stainless steel case and is water resistant to 300 meters. At 48mm lug to lug, and with a case thickness of 14mm, it is a compact and athletic looking diver. I particularly like the functionality of the prominent knurled crown, which has a wonderful tactile quality in winding and even as you screw it down. The tall bezel is also among the best in the business with a loud, tight 120 clicks and no backplay. Rather than use the traditional tritium tubes here, Marathon have opted for a mil-spec dial with oversized printed plot markers and Mariglow, which offers that explosive initial glow loved by so many enthusiasts. Part of the reasoning behind this decision includes the fact that tritium cannot be used in certain sensitive situations, such as aboard nuclear submarines. Above this, there is a large Cyclops aperture bolstering magnification of the date window below by 1.5 times. On the other end of that smoothly operating crown is the Sellita SW200-1, a Swiss-made automatic movement based on the workhorse at a 2824. It features 26 joules and a beat frequency of 4 Hz, as well as a date complication at 3. The caliber also provides for 38 hours of power reserve and is equipped with a shock-absorbing system. Marathon sell the OSAR D with a 3-piece rubber strap kit with the option of a 3-link oyster-style bracelet in 316L stainless steel. I wore this watch to the Toronto Timepiece Show last year and to the Marathon meetup afterwards. While there, I discovered 2 things. The first is that the brand has a convivial and staunchly loyal community of followers, one that includes members of the military, both active and veteran. This says a lot about its watches. The second is that the OSAR D is a little like a secret handshake. People would stop me to have a look and then flash me a glimpse of their own wrists where I would invariably find GSARs, TSARs, and SS navs. The Marathon OSAR D is a tool watch through and through. Its dial is designed to be legible, its bezel is designed to be easily manipulated, and its movement is designed to be accurate and reliable. That being said, the watch is also well built and nicely finished. The crown is a joy to operate, the loom is volcanic, and if you're looking for a well-sized and well-spec'd diver with true military provenance, you can look no further than the Marathon OSAR D. The 41mm OSAR D is now available directly from the website. It retails for $13.80 with Marathon's 3-piece rubber strap kit or $16.80 on the stainless steel bracelet. As always, let me know what you think in the comments section below. And until next time, thanks for watching.